For the first inequality, I can add 4 to both sides to get negative 3x is greater than 9. Then we divide by negative 3, the coefficient of x. We get x is less than negative 3. Remember, we need to reverse the inequality sign here. For the second inequality, we add 1 to both sides. Then we divide by 5 to get x is less than or equal to negative 4. Notice I don't need to reverse the inequality sign here because I divided by a positive. We only reverse the inequality sign when we multiply or divide by a negative. We can graph these solutions on a number line. X could be any value less than negative 3 here, or x could be any value less than or equal to negative 4 here. But remember, we want x values for either this inequality or this inequality. Let's see these number lines stacked on top of each other to decide.